Alright. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. Well, what we're looking at here is the 08 Jeep Liberty. And the other day we went to kick the heater on. And believe it sounds like this. Winding up. Those are the bearing. The bearing and it's going bad. So I'm getting ready to get rid of the 08 Dodge Nitro, or she's 07, it's that year, and replacing it. Hey, gummit. Getting rid of the 08, 07 Dodge Nitro. And I said, well, hey, the same vehicle, so I'm just going to go ahead and swap out the fans. Well, you got to take this little cover off under here. And it's got these little push pulls that hold it in there. Then you have 3 screws, which are T20s. As you can see, you got 3 of them. One right here. You got another one there, and then you have another one back there. And it's just going to drop down. Then you have a simple plug right here. Squeeze plug, and it should drop down. Now I did find a little bit of corrosion on this one here, so it might be a little sticky. You see the corrosion on it? I cleaned up the best I could. So we're going to get that one out. So stay tuned. Okay, here it is. Take anything. Okay. Get a little more spin out of it, out of this one than you did that one. And I'll reach up in there, make sure there's no freaking thing sticking in there or anything. Up in there. Not getting full airflow to the other side, some freaking reason. Anyway. Alright, let's get this back in. See how it sounds. Alright, screws are back in. Let's turn this on. See how noisy it is. Oh, all the way. Beautiful, huh? No noise. Of course, you can't change anything because you haven't got the engine running, but here we go. All quiet. Just 3 screws, T20s. Get that panel off of there. Which is really simple. So I can figure out what the rest of the mess, my issue was in there, but really isn't anything I can do from this here. So, but anyway, that's back together. Get these back in here, holding this, and we're done. All the holes. There you go. Kind of hole. All right, one. That's 2. Get in there. Come on. Come on, working in 30-degree weather outside. All right, the pin in there, and a pin in there, and we're done. All right, there we go. These are the tools I had. That was a T25. I knew that wound up being too big. So T20, screwdriver, little pry bar, and then I do the plug. You're all set. All right, thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. This was changing out the fan motor for the heating system on the 08 Jeep Liberty.